O paano na yan mga DDS? Kaya si Sara po, hindi talaga, no? Hindi talaga mag-attend. 16 na beses na niya, mga kababayan, na iniisnab ang impeachment court. Hirap na hirap, mga kababayan, yung kanyang mga staff at saka yung kanyang defense counsel na idipensa si Sara Duterte. Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. O confirm na, paano na yan mga DDS? Talagang si Sara ang nag-utos. Pangalawang beses na to, mga kababayan, na nilaglag si Sara Duterte ng kanyang mismong SDO. Nilaglag po ni SDO Gina Acosta sa pangalawang pagkakataon o na doon sa Congress sa hearing mga kababayan ng House Committee on Good Government. Sinabi na to ni Gina Acosta. Ngayon, finally mga kababayan, tinuldo ka na. Sabi nga mga kababayan, yung huling pako, the last nail for Sara Duterte para ipako. Ay ginawa mga kababayan kanina ni Gina Acosta. Yan mga kababayan, OBP executive repeats claim that Sara ordered 125 million confidential funds to security officer. Yan OBP executive nilaglag ulit si Sara. Former Special Disbursing Officer Gina Acosta of the Office of the Vice President repeated her claim that Vice President Sara Duterte instructed her to release 125 million in cash to Security Officer Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica. Acosta first made the same statement in 2024 and testified again on the release of the OBP confidential funds. O paano na yan mga DDS? Kaya si Sara po, hindi talaga mag-attend. 16 na beses na niya, mga kababayan, na iniisnab ang impeachment court. Hirap na hirap, mga kababayan, yung kanyang mga staff at saka yung kanyang defense counsel na idipensa si Sara Duterte. At yung kanyang abogado, mga kababayan, kanina, yung mga objections po, puro denied. Diba? Mga kababayan, puro denied. Hindi lang nilampaso ng prosecution. Talagang ni-knockdown. Igawan niya talaga, Mr. Maravillas. Walang magawa yung kanyang abogado kasi guilty nga si Sara. Nilaglag na ng kanyang mismong empleyado. Hindi man siya pwede mga kababayan na mag-deny kasi inamin na niya last year, noong 2024 pa, inamin na niya, naka-oath siya doon. At may hawak na copy, mga kababayan, si Atty. Ligutan. Diba, mga kababayan? Yan mga kababayan, Sara nag-utos na ibigay ang 125 million confidential fund kay Lachica. Ayon kay Acosta, sa pagtatanong po ni Atty. Ligutan, sabi ni Atty. Amando Berhil Ligutan, sino ba ang head of agency na nag-utos sa iyo as a special disbursing officer na ibigay yung 125 million in cold cash sa isang security officer, Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica? Ang sagot mga kababayan, napakalinaw. Ang nag-utos po sa akin na i-release ang pera na 125 million sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica ay si Ma'am Sara Duterte. Tapos, alam na natin lahat na matagal na. 2024 pa, inamin na, inulit na ito. Di ba, mga kababayan? Kaya tama yung mga legal luminaries po. Yung ebidensya na present mga kababayan ng prosecution, enough to convict Sara Duterte. Wala na. Yung mga senator judges na mag-acquit kay Sara, ay isusumpa talaga sila ng ating mga mamamayang Pilipino. Kitang-kitang ebidensya, mga kababayan. Napakalinaw. Ang nag-utos ay si BP Sara. Di ba, mga kababayan? Sabi ni Atty. Ligotan, why did you have to call Colonel Lachica to inform him? Colonel Lachica, ready na ang 125 million. Sagot ni Acosta, kasi po, may instruction po sa taas ang aking head of agency. Sino ba ang head of agency na nag-utos sa'yo as SDO na ibigay yung 125 million in cold cash sa isang security officer? Sabi ni Acosta, ang nag-utos po sa akin na i-release ang pera ay si Ma'am Sara Duterte. Di ba, mga kababayan? Ito, panoorin natin, mga kababayan, yung pagtatanong kanina ni Atty. Ligotan.
Hindi po ba, noong November 25, 2024, Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability hearing, sinabi nyo doon, please show the TSN, that's right after encashment, pagkatapos pong ma-encash yung 125 million pesos, tinawagan mo sino?
CSO officer, Your Honor.
Colonel Lachica.
Lachica.
To quote, sinabi mo doon, you called him and you told him na eto na yung, ready na yung 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Sinabihan ko po siya, Your Honor, na na-encash ko na po ang cheque for the confidential funds.
Yes, ma'am. Question. Ikaw yung special disbursing officer. Ikaw yung nag-prepare ng confidential, yung physical financial plan. Hindi mo masabi kung empleyado ba. Hindi mo masagot-sagot yung napakasimpleng tanong kung empleyado ba si Colonel Lachica. The question is, why did you have to call Colonel Lachica to inform him? Colonel Lachica, ready na ang 125 million pesos. Bakit?
Kasi po, may instruction po sa taas, Your Honor, ng aking head of agency na kung ma-encash ko po ang cheque, i-release ko po kay Sir Lachica, kinsa iyang gi-designate na special officer po, a security officer po sa Office of the Vice President na siya i-order, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am. Sabi mo, tinawagan mo si Colonel Lachica kasi yun yung utos ng head of agency. Siguro sa ating mga kababayan na hindi alam, sino ba? Sino ba ang head of agency na nag-utos sa iyo as the special disbursing officer na ibigay yung 125 million pesos in cold cash sa isang security officer, Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica?
Ang nag-utos po sa akin na i-release ang pera na 125M sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica ay si Ma'am Sara Duterte.
You turned over 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica
Limate.
precisely para siya yung mag-disburse ng 125 million pesos for the supposed confidential activities ng Office of the Vice President. Tama po ba?
Misleading, Your Honor.
What?
Why is it misleading, Counsel?
Your Honor, the witness has yet to testify on anything that the
I'm leading her.
question is premised on, Your Honor.
Overruled, Counsel.
Laging overall.
Witness said that she was instructed by the head of agency, the Vice President, to give the money to, anong word ginamit niyo, ma'am? Transfer?
Release.
Release. To release the money to Colonel La Chica. Proceed, Counsel.
Now, hindi po ba na nag-testify ka rin sa November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing na binigay mo yung 125 million pesos kay Colonel La Chica kasi si La Chica lang yung may alam, siya lang yung may alam on how to implement yung confidential activities. Di po ba?
Yes po.
Yes
Siya
po.
po ang expert.
Oh, wait. You can explain po later, ma'am, ha? Okay,
Sorry
now.
po.
And you only came to know that Colonel La Chica knows how to implement the confidential activities. Nalaman nyo lang na si Colonel La Chica yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities precisely because yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Inday Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Kasi po ang security.
Ma'am, with all due respect po, pwede pong sagutin ng yes or no without explanation. Ma'am, I will allow you, pero pwede po bang sagutin po muna? Yes or no? I will allow you to explain.
Your Honor, the witness is answering, Your Honor. May the witness be allowed to finish her answer?
She already started answering, Counsel. Let her answer. And you can
Laging
continue with
overruled
your
yung
direct-
abogado ni
Kindly
Sara.
answer. Pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Yung katanungan.
Your Honor, may I request to repeat the question, Your
Okay, now,
Ulit na
Honor?
lang po, Attorney
I will.
Ligutan.
Nalaman mo na si Colonel La Chica yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Kasi nga, yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, siya po ang security officer na sinabi ni Vice Presidente.
Alright, now, I'm showing you yung transcript, page 140 this time. Do we have it? Page 140. Tanong sa inyo, Representative Luiso, then why did you give all the money to Colonel La Chica? Yung sagot niyo was, because po may utos po ni Ma'am Inday Sara na sa kanya po i-release kasi siya po ang nakakaalam kung paano po i-implement ang mga programs and activities in line po sa confidential activities. You confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madam, since si La Chica yung may alam paano i-implement yung project under confidential funds, siya din yung nag-implement ng mga confidential activities. This time, ma'am, hindi na 2022. This time, for 2023, correct?
Same question, Your Honor.
Okay, I will repeat the question. Since sabi mo, ipinabigay ni VP Sara yung pera kay La Chica kasi siya yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Okay, now, yung tanong is, si Colonel La Chica din, yung nag-implement ng lahat ng confidential activities, this time, ma'am, para sa taong 2023. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, this is the question now. You will agree that handling tsaka yung pagdi-disperse ng 500 million pesos na pera ng bayan, ma'am, pondo ng bayan, hindi iyan trabaho ng isang security officer kagaya ni Colonel La Chica. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
Counsel, what's the objection?
Your Honor, the objection is grounded that it's argumentative and it calls for a conclusion, Your Honor.
Kindly modify, Counsel. It is
Okay, now.
argumentative. You can modify and get
Yes,
the
ma'am.
response you want from the witness.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba na base sa paragraph 3.27 ng Joint Circular 2015, please flash that one, yun yung trabaho ng isang security officer refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated to have access to security information. Tanong, andyan ba dyan nakasulat na po pwedeng yung isang security officer yung mag-i-implement ng confidential activities tsaka yung mag-disperse ng confidential funds ng isang ahensya like the Office of the Vice President.
Same objection, Your Honor. Argumentative and calls for a conclusion.
If she knows, counsel, because she answered that she based her actions on based on JC 2015-1. Ma'am Gina, pakisagot po yung tanong. Bahagi po ba ng trabaho ng security
Denied na naman
officer
yung
ayon
counsel
sa
ni
joint
Sara.
circular ang tumanggap ng confidential at mag-implement ng confidential funds?
Siya po ang may alam, siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad po ng confidential operation and activities, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang may access when it comes to national security, Your Honor.
Ayon po kanino, ma'am? Ayon sa joint circular, ayon sa interpretasyon nyo, o ayon sa utos sa inyo?
Ayon po sa joint circular, Your Honor.
Saan po sa joint circular? Alam niyo po?
At saka ayon po sa utos ng head of agency kasi meron po siyang
Utos ni Sara.
security officer na order, Your Honor.
Counsel, your witness.
Of course, iisa-isahin natin yan. Sinabi mo nasa joint circular, yung basihan, na po pwede yung security officer, okay, kung mag-disperse ng confidential funds. Ma'am, I will give you all the time you will need. Basahin. 2015 circular. Saan dyan? Saan dyan makikita yung sinasabi mong po pwedeng security officer yung maggasta, disperse ng confidential funds?
Your Honor, based po sa aking nalalaman sa GC, ako po ang special disbursing officer. Ang gawain ko po, Your Honor, is to disburse. Pero ang pag-implement po ng mga confidential operation activities in related to confidential funds, yan po ay saklaw po sa trabaho po ng isang security officer kasi wala po akong alam, di ako eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad ng various confidential activities or operation on the grounds, Your Honor.
Okay, I will tailor, I'll make this narrower. Yung pagdi-disperse, yung pagbabayad, paggagamit ng confidential funds, based sa circular, trabaho ba yan ng isang security officer?
As in answered, Your Honor.
Wala pa.
Overruled.
Overall na naman.
Ano po yun?
Trabaho po ba ng isang ng isang security officer yung paggamit ng confidential funds, pag-disperse ng confidential funds? Trabaho po ba yan based sa circular?
Basta ang trabaho ko, Your Honor, ako po ang disbursing officer, Your Honor. Ang pagpa-implement po ng various confidential activities in relation po sa confidential fund, Your Honor, ay saklaw po sa trabaho ng security officer, Your Honor. Kasi
Ma'am Gina.
confidential po yun, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina, ang tanong po, trabaho ba ng security officer gastusin, i-release, ilabas yung confidential fund na dinisburse po ninyo? Kung oo po, saan sa joint circular nakalagay yun?
Ano yun, sir?
Trabaho po ba ng security officer gastusin yung nirelease yung confidential fund? Iba po yung implement. Siyempre, siya yung magagawa ng surveillance. Siyempre, siya po yung kukuha ng mga operative na sa intelligence. Pero yung paggastos po, trabaho po ba ng security officer gastusin yung dinisburse ninyong confidential fund?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Trabaho po yung ng disbursing officer, Your Honor. Pero, pag na-release ko na po ang pera sa kanya, Your Honor, pinareceive ko sa kanya, Your Honor, magbigay po siya sa akin ng utilization report, Your Honor. Yun po ang signed or evidence, Your Honor, na nagawa, na-implement na po niya, Your Honor, ang mga various confidential activities or operation, Your Honor, sa ground kasi siya po ang expert, Your Honor.
So sa pananaw po ninyo, ang ginamit niyo pong salita, release.
Yes,
Yung
Your
pag-release po nyo ng pera kay Colonel Lachica, dapat i-liquidate na po niya yun?
I-liquidate po niya, Your Honor, after po, matapos po ang pagpa-implement ng various confidential activities po sa ground, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor.
Pero siya po ang gumastos ng pera sa iba't ibang nakatanggap ng confidential fund. Tama po.
Ano yun, Your Honor?
Siya po ang gumastos ng pera at nag-abot ng pera sa iba't ibang pinagbigyan niya base sa intelligence at confidential operations niya. Tama po ba?
Siya po, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang may alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential operations activities, Your Honor. Kasi confidential po yun, Your Honor. Wala
Hindi po ba
akong
sang-ayon
alam.
sa joint circular, kayo dapat ang nagdi-disburse
Correct.
direkta sa beneficiary o recipient?
Hindi naman po sinabi, Your Honor, na ako ang magpunta doon sa ground, Your Honor. Kasi wala po akong alam, Your Honor, kung ipapatupad. Wala po akong security, wala po akong access, Your Honor, sa tinatawag na national security information, Your Honor.
Huling katanungan po kaugnay nito bago kay pasa kay Atty. Lagutan. Sa pananaw niyo po ba, sa pag-release niyo kay Colonel Lachica, recipient si Colonel Lachica ng confidential fund o ginampanan po niya yung tungkulin niya sa pag-disburse lamang?
Nalibog ko. I'm sorry. I'm
Recipient po
confused.
ba si Atty. Lachica, si Colonel Lachica o tagapagbigay lang siya ng perang ni-release niyo sa kanya?
Wait.
Yung pera po ba tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica para sa sarili niya?
Hindi, Your Honor.
Tinanggap po niya para ipamigay sa ibang tao?
Tinangka po niya, Your Honor, para po, Your Honor, sa mga gastusin in relation po sa pagpatupad ng confidential activities or operations, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang may alam, Your Honor, at saka confidential in nature po, Your Honor.
So sa pananaw po ninyo, hindi siya recipient, si Colonel Lachica.
Yun po ang explanation ko sa iyo kanina, Your Honor.
Hindi nga po siya recipient.
Dili, Your Honor.
Okay.
Hindi is hindi. Now, you said,
Attorney
may I proceed,
Lagutan.
Your Honor? You said that you gave the 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica. Siya yung nag-disperse. Sabi mo kanina, una, kasi yun yung nakasulat sa Joint Circular 2015-01. And then, sabi mo, and that not only that, sinabi mo rin, kasi yun yung utos ng head of agency, si VP Inday Sara. Now, you were asked saan sa circular nakasulat na po pwedeng mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Isang security officer, hindi mo mahanap. Tama po ba? Tama
Ask
po ba,
and
ma'am?
answer,
Yes
Your
or no?
Honor.
Yes or no? This is a premise to the next question, Your Honor.
Witness may answer, counsel.
Denied na naman.
Yes or no?
Pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Kung hindi niyo po naunawaan, paulit niyo po
Wala
ito.
sa Circular 2015-01 nakasulat dyan na po pwedeng si Colonel Lachica as security officer yung mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Wala dyan. Wala dyan. Yes or no?
Wala, Your
Wala.
Honor.
So therefore, we are
Inamin
left
niya.
with only the remaining reason why you gave the confidential funds to Colonel Lachica. Kasi yan. You said yung pangalawang rason.
Hindi, dalawang rason po ang ibig sabihin ko, sir.
Okay, ma'am, no question yet. Hindi po tayo nag-away.
Yes po.
You gave the 125 million pesos kasi utos ni VP Sara sa'yo. Tama po ba?
Isa po yan sa rason, sir.
Yes or no?
Ask and
Yes.
answer, Your Honor.
Yes.
Despite nothing
Let the witness
in the
answer.
circular.
Wala sa circular
Yes,
kasi utos.
Argumentative and
Ayun.
I will ask the next question.
Please answer the question, Madam Witness. It's quite easy to answer.
Na Cornel po.
Despite nothing
Mga
in the
kababayan.
circular na po pwedeng sila Chica yung
Umami na.
disburse ng confidential funds, binigay
Puro
mo
si
pa rin sa
Sara ang may
kanya.
mali.
Tama po ba?
Dili na ko ihatag, Your Honor, kung wala siya gi-appoint nga security officer, Your Honor.
Or
That's
is
her
it-
interpretation, counsel.
Yes.
That's her interpretation and reason why she gave it to Colonel Lachica.
Or is it because you cannot dare question the Vice President's instruction?
Objection, Your Honor,
There is
argumentative.
more than
I
willing
would
to answer that.
sustain it because it was asked and answered already. She gave two reasons, counsel. Number one, that Colonel Lachica is the one who knows how to implement it. Tama po. And number two, dahil inutos sa kanya ng Vice President bilang head of agency. Tama po, Ma'am Gina?
Tama po, Your
Yun po yung
Honor.
dalawang rason ba't niyo binigay kay Colonel Lachica.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Now, Madam Witness, I'm showing you now a video, okay, where you said you entrusted the confidential funds in the amount of 125 million pesos to a security officer because the Vice President directed you to do so, and you merely complied. Can we play that?
Comply?
Wait po, wala pang question.
Sorry po.
It's okay po, no need to be sorry po.
Counsel, you have 3 minutes. Is this your last
Yes, Your Honor,
question
last
for the
point
afternoon?
For this afternoon. Let's play it.
And then, since part of your job as a special disbursing officer is the disbursement of this amount, please enlighten us. Paano nyo po ginastos, ibinayad, inirelease itong 125 million pesos?
Ganito po ang nangyari, ma'am. Nang ma-encash na po ang kwarta, ang pera ay ang cheque, nag-inform po ang aking head of agency na i-release ko po sa aming security officer.
Si Sarah
So
yun.
while on
Head
the
of
way na po
agency.
ako papuntang office, I called up the security officer informing him na na-encash ko na po ang cheque.
You informed the security officer?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you please mention the name of the security officer? Si Colonel Nolasco din ho ba yan?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Sino po yan?
Si Colonel La Chica po.
Colonel Lachica. Can you
Opo.
please enlighten the committee? Sino po ba si Colonel Lachica?
Si Colonel La Chica po ay, siya po ang ground commander ng aming BPSPGs na na-assign po sa Office of the Vice President.
Okay. So you informed Colonel Lachica that you have encashed already the check.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
about the physical handing of the money? Kailan po nangyari yan?
December 20 din po.
Magkano po ang binigay nyo kay Colonel Lachica?
Binigay ko po sa kanya lahat ang 125 million po.
At saan po dinala ni Colonel Lachica?
Yan ang hindi ko na alam, ma'am.
Sandali lang po. Anong oras po ba kayo nakabalik sa OVP?
Mga around 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Opo.
How long did it take you?
Nawala.
I think that's it, Counsel.
Okay, which one? Okay. Let's go to a next video for this point, Your Honor, please. That is, can we show it?
You were able to check if the items and the amounts provided in the object of expenditure total to 125 million. You checked that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tanong, Ms. Acosta, what gave you the confidence? Ano ang nagbigay sa inyo ng lakas ng loob na ibigay ang buong 125 million kay Colonel Lachica, considering that he is not the accountable officer, because it is you who is the accountable officer?
May approval po kay Ma'am Inday Sara.
And without the approval of the Vice President, will you give that to Colonel Lachica?
Hindi po.
Do you know Colonel Lachica?
Yes po.
Okay. And lastly, last point, Your Honor, please. At TSN, page 137 of the TSN, marked as P1, PI 1G for the prosecution, please. That will be the last item for this afternoon for the prosecution. Show it, please. Do you trust Colonel La Chica, Representative Luistro, Acosta? I trust La Chica. I trust La Chica kasi ginatrust po siya ng aking head of office, Inday Sara. Representative Luistro, in other words, the only reason why you're giving your trust to Colonel La Chica is because of the instruction of the Vice President. Ms. Acosta, yes ma'am. Luistro, tama mo ba? Acosta, yes ma'am. Luistro. Without the instruction of the Vice President, you will never give the entire amount of the 125 billion pesos to Colonel La Chica. Ms. Acosta, what was your answer to that question?
Nadia, sir.
Basahin mo.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be all for the prosecution this afternoon.
Yun ang ultimong pako. Pinako si Sara Duterte ng kanyang mismong SDO. Talagang guilty po si Sara. Siya yung responsible officer talaga. The head of agency na nag-approve ng lahat ng ito na puro mali. Di ba, mga kababayan? Anong masasabi po ninyo, mga DDS? Post your comments. Siyempre, pati yung mga fans natin, mga Dante diehard supporters, DDS pa rin. Guilty talaga niya, Mr. Maravillas. Malinaw na guilty si Sara. Yeah, ito po, I think tama yung sinabi ng mga legal luminaries. Yung ebidensya na present ng prosecution, more than enough to convict Sara Duterte.